Hello World. In the last episode, we have built an Hello World application by downloading Android Studio and setting our development environment. In this episode, let's understand Android Studio project structure. In the project structure in a root directory, we will have app folder, inside which we will have three different folders: manifest, Java, and resources. Inside the manifest folder, we will have a manifest.xml file. This is a descriptor file to our application where all the services and the activities that we have in our application will have a registry, and which has to have a registry in the manifest file. And here it follows the same XML document object model standard to program the Android manifest keys and parameters. And later in the Java folder, we will have Java classes, Java Android unit testing classes, and Java UI classes, and so forth. In RES folder, which means resource folder, we will have all sort of resources, including our XML layouts and MIP map, which is application icons to our application. And then we will have values, which is colors, strings, and styles, and so forth. And in Gradle scripts, if we have any plugins in the class path dependency, we will add the plugin here and apply the plugin to the Android module build.gradle dependency. I'll show you in the coming examples how do we apply plugin and how do we attach library. Since I'm talking about library and resources, so there are only few popular, or there are so many popular websites, but there are only limited promising Android resources. Let's explore them. In official website, it's not just downloading Android Studio. Also, we could explore the latest Android versions features. For example, the current latest version is Oreo. So these are the features that Oreo offers to users. It also talks about how do developers implement such features to the application. In the design tab, we will have animations and styles and how do we actually follow certain design patterns and all such information. But Android has to have a plugin or a Gradle dependency. But how do we remember this kind of Gradle dependency? It's insane. So we cannot remember test.espresso or whatever it is. So for that, we have a well thought website called Gradle Please. Wow, a very well thought name to the website. Here all the support libraries are enlisted by default, and the popular libraries are enlisted here. If we want a particular library, we can search like here, and then we'll get it. And also there is another popular website called Android Arsenal, where here all the free libraries are available, and you also have a paid libraries like Feature Ready, and all such kind of libraries are ready here. And also, if we enter the following URL, we will get the list of available libraries for free of cost. For example, understand for background processing there is a 58 libraries and so forth. It's like bunch of libraries. Not just that, there is one more new website which is making a lot of sound, which is called Awesome Android Library Hunt or Android Library Hunt. Here you will see all sort of libraries available for different categories of Android use case. Not but least, we have Android in Stack Overflow. We could search for Android questions, and we could definitely learn a lot of things from Stack Overflow. And apart from that, we have Medium. Search for a keyword Android, and we will have numerous blogs from developers talking about a lot of Android concepts. And that's Android ABCD's 5 minutes. Thank you for watching.